Dubai Show 2023 Civil Aviation Authority EANAN signed pact in the boost R&D argument around to the booster research and developer innovation in aviation. Dubai Civil Aviation Authority DCAA signed military of understanding with EANAN and US, UAE technology company for research and developer R&D invited in a UAE. The strategic partnership aimed to provide a formal base for R&D work between the partner ensures high safety and security of announced having cargo and virtual takeoff and landing aircraft in Dubai by improving the regulatory framework for unmanned aerial vehicle. It will be create a decision area for testing virtual flights mode and unmanned aerial vehicle and support the developer or aviation industry in Dubai. Thought various corroboration to the sign by attendees and Mohammed Dubai was Ahli CEO of Dubai Aviation Authority of Rashid Hamdan Al Naumi, Chairman of EANAN and U and was between Ahmad Al-Bazaki, Executive Director, Aviation Safety and Environment Sector DGAA, and Ali Al-Amini, CEO of Aman Aviation. Mohammed Abdulla Elias, CEO of Dubai Civil Aviation Authority, says I am response to the growing significance of unnamed and aerial vehicle in invention. The Dubai Civil Aviation Authority has introduced a comprehensive legal frame through Law Number 4 and 2023 to regulate unmanned aerial vehicle operation in Dubai, UAE. The DAE oversees the implementation of those provisions forcing in airspace for unmanned aerial worker activity, approving air rerouting and revolting opportunity aircraft command were based and crew member. Al-Minu and CEO named Aviation set out a strategic partnership with the DGAA on and communicate to enhance aviation safety, fostering innovation, research and development, and delivering technology situation. The DCAA and NON will be working together, develop and implement workshop as well as specific training programming. Those programs are supporting the growth of aviation industrial covering areas such as operational risk management, aviation safety, unmanned aircraft technology, aviation data analysis, flight operation, evolution, security, and personal license. So these are the topic which are being discussed in this strategy. It's about all of the Dubai Air Show, the Dubai Dubai Airshow 2023 Civil Aviation Authority DCAA a non-signed post-boot R&D. So these are a topic which we will discuss in this lecture. Inshallah, I now you will best to remaining.